Hi, I'm Todd from 4 Leaf Roofing and Windows. So I'm here at Kevin and Danya's house. They contacted us. They did a large-scale remodeling project on their home. And what we did for them was we put a new algae-resistant roof on the home. At 4 Leaf Roofing and Windows, we installed the Atlas Pinnacle Pristine, which is partnered with 3M and Scotchgard, so it guarantees you won't have algae on your roof with a lifetime warranty. We did new 5-inch gutters and downspouts. We also did soffit, fascia, and finished the project off with new LP Diamond Kote Siding.
Hi, my name is Danya.
Hi, my name is Vila.
Hi, my name is Kevin, and we're the Hietpas Family.
We bought the house, loving the location, and wanted to turn it into everything that we wanted and needed as a home. So pretty much overhauled the entire thing from top to bottom.
Yeah, and that included all the siding, the gutters, then the new roof on the addition that we put onto the house.
Well, and my favorite part, the new porch.
Her cousin had work done.
Yeah, they bought a starter home, needed a lot of work done, and came across 4 Leaf Roofing, and were really happy with their whole experience. So seemed like a great option. They felt supported through the whole experience, and they just felt very comfortable the whole time they worked with 4 Leaf, and felt like they got great prices and great quality work done. And seeing that happen for them really kind of meant the most to us.
They coordinated well with the general contractor that we had hired at the time, fit right into their schedule.
Our contractor liked them so much that they started asking them to do other jobs for them.
Our garage was also resided to match the house. They pulled off the old siding, and there was no wall behind it. So they had to scramble, because now we had a completely exposed garage, to get plywood to basically sheet the whole thing. And so they had other crews coming dropping off sheets like that weekend, and I think they came in on Sunday to get those installed, so we didn't have a completely exposed garage sitting for like a week or more.
What was that touch point the whole way? That anytime something came up and there was a question, we could easily get a hold of them, and they would immediately be out here looking at what is the issue, what's going on, because inevitably there are surprises. And it wasn't the, what you expect to hear of, okay, well, that's going to be another 4 weeks before we can do it, and it's going to be another 5-figure estimate. It all just rolled into the project very quickly, and somehow things were still done when we thought they were going to be done.
Yeah, like responsiveness
is
huge.
You would recommend it to all your friends?
Yes.
Yes.